our house. So it's a park with a beautiful lake and all that. So we are planning to go there. So I am. So if you see, there are actually two lakes. One is here, and there are water ducks. Which shoe is this?
This is Adidas.
Adidas. Hi everyone, welcome to my new vlog. Myself and my husband have started for a walk near a park near our house. So it's a park with a beautiful lake and all that. So we are planning to go there. So I am wearing a coat because it would rain now. And check out the shoes from Adidas. It's a beautiful Supernova shoes I'm wearing now. So I have booked for an auto. Auto will come now because of the traffic. We cannot park the car anywhere. So we have booked an auto here through Rapido. So we will get into the car now. So my husband is also wearing a shoe now for the walk. Which shoe is this?
This is Adidas.
Adidas. He is also now ready for walking at the park. Wait, Amma, park. That's the traffic on the Mahadevapura road. So we have entered the park now. So that's the park, and there is one dedicated area for feeding the dog and all that. That's the lake here near the park, and that's one complete round from. Can you see the building there? So we will be rounding everything like that. It would be like around 3 to 4 rounds we would be doing it here. So there are some kids play area is also here on the right side, if you see, and there are spaces for public to sit and do exercises here. This is at Mahadevapura Lake Park, and there are beautiful trees and shades, and the walking area is really good over here and clean space. And look at the water here. I think it's been 3 to 4 weeks we have come over here. So at that time the water was not this much. So now due to the rain, I guess it has past 4 to 5 days the rain was heavy here. So maybe that could be the reason why the lakes are also getting filled. And if you see, so there are space here, and can you see there are some software companies here. Complete stretch we would be rounding. This park is good because it's maintained clean also, but the only problem is the dogs. Before 5 p.m. if you come, there are around 10 to 12 dogs, and I am a little worried and scared of dogs. But even though they don't do anything on the other side, but why to take risk? And these are the green. This one I love to walk here. Something with the trees because of the oxygen, and you can breathe nicely. So there are some more exercise machines are kept here. So there are the exercise machines for the hand, for muscles, shoulder and all that. So when I turn on to the other side, I think I can show you the closer view of the lake. So if you see, there are actually two lakes. One is here, the other is here, but this lake looks to be closed. And there are software companies on the other side, Bagmani Park and all that. Come to this park, you can also see the employees moving around like here. If you see the Bagmani's park view, and check out the road here. People would be waiting for the cab and all that. And there's the one bus stop kind also here. This is like another shady area. If you see, it's too shady now because of the rain and monsoon season. The trees and all have grown green. It's complete green and windy also right now. That's the closer view of the lake here. Such a big lake it is. And it's really relaxing to see just water here. And there are water ducks also here, water birds. The walking is done. Just taking out my socks here. So I'll not have any leg pain after that. See, the laundry mate clothes have come here, and there are a lot of clothes to fold also with the help of my house help, and I will also. So both of us will fold and also take out the clothes from here. So I'm done with my dinner for today. I had roti and all that, and planning to sleep now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.